Okay, so that's just by the way. Let's move on. Okay. So at the point where we had calculated the depreciation on the second asset, and so we had a total of, I think, 95,000 as the total depreciation for that year 2002. So we go in there 31st December 2002, P&L 95,000. Okay. But remember that this was the year a particular asset was sold off, which is asset A was sold off in 2002. So we need to debit the provision for depreciation account with the accumulated depreciation on that asset, which is asset A. So let's see the accumulated depreciation on asset A. So for the first year, we charge 50,000 on asset A. The second year, we charge another 50,000. The third year, we didn't charge anything. So in all, it is 100,000 accumulated depreciation. So you debit that to the provision for depreciation account using the narration disposal. And this time you use the date on which the asset was disposed, which is 1st January 2002. Then you can now balance off your account and move on. So we would have 220,000 as total. So the difference is 120,000, and that is our balance carried down. 31st December 2002. So it will come down 1st January 2003. Balance brought down 120,000. And we don't have to continue because that's where most activities ended. So, dear ladies and gentlemen, you feel that it's very easy when you take your time and you see, pick them asset by asset. And as you go through the years, you ask yourself, did you sell off any asset so that you can debit with the accumulated depreciation? And if I'm having a conviction that at least you've picked some few points, but regardless, I'll share all the videos so that you can start from day one and follow the discussion. So do we have any question on the illustration we just finished? Okay, so I'm happy we are getting the simple ones. As we move forward, we'll be solving most engaging illustrations, but trust me, it's not going to be difficult if you apply the principle. Okay, Ifya has a question.
Mr. please proceed on the disposal.
Yeah.
That one simple.
Yeah, so the proceeds normally will be used in the next account we are going to look at. In our previous session, we satisfied ourselves that under this topic, the major requirements are the asset account, the provision for depreciation account, which is what we have centered on today, the disposal account, and the other two are the profit and loss extract and balance sheet extract. But those extracts are very simple to do. So I want us to get the first three, which are very important. That's the asset, the provision for depreciation, and the what do you call it? The disposal. Okay. So we did the asset account in the previous lessons. So this one you may have to watch. Note any questions. Contact me if you want any further explanations, and I'll do that for you, Professor. But let me ask, where were you? Where were you to the point that we had to carry on before you joined?